Hi YouTube, it's the 11th of the 5th 2011 and two earthquakes have struck Spain. One at magnitude 4.5 which struck at 15:05 and that was at a depth of 10 kilometers. The next one was 5.3 magnitude. The time was 16:47 and the depth was 1 kilometer. A very shallow earthquake. Now the 4.5, the first earthquake, I've tried to get it on the European site because I prefer that one, but there is absolutely no way I can get in. I've tried loads of times, it's just saying it's unavailable, so I've had to come to USGS. So the 4.5 struck 55 kilometers southwest of Murcia, Spain, and 348 kilometers south-southeast of Madrid, Spain. The 5.3 earthquake, the one that was at a depth of 1 kilometer, struck 50 kilometers southwest of Murcia, Spain, and 352 kilometers south-southeast of Madrid, Spain. I've just seen footage of the aftermath of the earthquake or quakes, and there's an awful lot of damage. I think 6 people have been killed. I mean, it looks as if that was a much stronger quake than 5.3, but of course one was at a depth of 1 kilometer, so that would have done a lot of damage. So that's the latest on these two quakes quite close together in Spain. Thanks, YouTube.